Hey guys, it's about 8:30 Tuesday morning. We are getting ready to demo this church in Griffin down here on Broad Street. Let's see if we get you a shot of it. Church right there. Anyway, it's a shame when these old structures have to come down, but this one's in such a state of disrepair that this one needs to come down for sure. At this point, it's a safety hazard. The ceiling, actually, you'll see it later on in the video. The ceiling's about to come in. But anyway, I just want to kind of give everybody a heads up what we're doing. I know a lot of people are driving by and kind of looking over it and probably wondering what's going on. But yeah, the church is coming down, and we don't have any idea what somebody's going to do with the lot. We've just been hired to do the demo and haul it off. So, but anyway, if anybody has any knowledge of the history of the church, what year it's built, what church was actually here, there's no signage out here or anything. Just let us know in the comments.